Alright, we're in Milwaukee here at the Jefferson. And look, we got more original Westinghouse elevators. With the dinner bells, too. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, I think these are on the original one. Oh, sorry, wrong floor. There was a desk right out there. But as I was saying, I think these are on their original Westinghouse logic. Going down?
Yeah.
What, one?
No, deeper.
All the way to the bottom.
Yeah, all the way to the bottom.
I'm just interested in elevators, skipping video.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah, so the inside is replaced, but I think these are on their original controllers, but if we can watch the indicator here, we'll see. Once it closes here. Yeah, it's original. Yep. Anyway, why don't we get the bell one more time? What? No. I'm not leaving here till I hear a dinner bell. Come on. Ring the bell. Say the line part. Oh, come on, I talked over it. Try this again. All this just to get the dinner bell.